Hello and welcome to my channel. Today marks the beginning of your investment journey and I'm excited to help you get started. You have made a wise choice to invest in the S&P 500 and let me tell you why. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, recommends investing in a low-fee S&P 500 index fund. He suggests allocating 90% of your portfolio to the S&P 500 and the remaining 10% to bonds. However, if you have many years before retirement, it's even better to invest 100% in the S&P 500. Then, when you approach retirement age, you can gradually shift 10% of your portfolio to bonds for a safer retirement. To get started investing in an S&P 500 fund, you need first to create an account with a broker. You may ask, what's a broker and why do I need one? A broker is a person or organization that helps people buy or sell financial assets such as stocks and bonds. They act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, executing transactions according to their clients' instructions. Now that you know what a broker is, you have to choose one. Some of the top brokers in the industry are Vanguard, Fidelity, and Interactive Brokers. When selecting a broker, ensure that it has a good reputation and can offer low fees. I personally use Vanguard because it has a wide selection of good funds and low fees. If you are also interested in using Vanguard, I have a separate video where I explain step by step how to set up a Vanguard account. I'll link it here for you. Once you have chosen a broker, it's important to select the right type of account for your needs. If you live in the UK, I suggest using an ISA account, or if you live in the USA, an IRA account. Both accounts provide tax-free benefits, and that means you don't have to pay any fees for investment growth and dividend gain. Once you have selected a broker and set up your account, it's time to buy the S&P 500 fund. I have a separate video where I explain how to buy an index fund on Vanguard, but for the sake of today's video, I'll show you the steps real quick, and you can check that video later for more details. Before I do that, today's sponsor is the like button, so please smash it. Now let's continue. From the dashboard, click Invest button, continue, add more investments, equity fund, and scroll down to USA, the S&P 500. If you are using Vanguard and your first purchase is the S&P 500 fund, there is a minimum requirement of £500 or £100 for 5 months. After this minimum requirement is complete, you are free to invest as much as you wish. The next step, and the one that I like the most, is automation. You can set up a regular monthly payment with the amount you want to invest, and by repeating this process for many years, you can achieve financial freedom. There is one more step, but this is entirely up to you. After getting familiar with investing, you can consider diversifying your portfolio with a global fund. I hope you found value in this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my small channel. My name is Michael, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.